Hello, good morning and welcome back everyone. Right, today is going to be a quick video on brake slider repair. So this is off a Peugeot, it's a brake caliper. Okay, so you see I've already had the sliders out of it. They're in a bit of a mess, we'll tackle that in a bit. Also, don't forget to hit subscribe, because if you keep subscribing, then I'll keep doing more videos and you get to learn stuff. So hit subscribe. This is what they look like. They come in all different shapes and sizes. This one is what this particular car looks like. So you see the pitting and the rust and all that. Save buying new ones. This is a really quick way of repairing it, right? So, cordless drill. Most people have got one of them. What I have done is I've got a little bit of threaded bar with a nut on the bottom, nut on the top, bit of tape in the middle. That's the other slider, right? So, pretty poor shape, as you can see. What I'm going to do now is chuck that in the drill. I'll be back now. Right, so what I have here, 3 grades of sandpaper, 80 grit, a 300 grit, and 1000 grit, yeah? So, straightforward. It's my slides on the drill. Yeah, happy days. I'm going to make a little cup out of my sandpaper, like that. Grab the thing, full speed. Firm grab, not too much, right? See if you can see this. Okay, it's coming good so far. Yeah, nice. So a lot of the pitting is now gone. You can sort of semi-see that from there. It's still rough. I'm going to go over it a little bit more because there's a little bit of pitting here still, right? Okay, right, now you want to keep going evenly on it. That's why I'm going back and forth so much. And I was surprised at the last one just how much I had to take off. This will probably suffice for most of you, but I'm going to keep going. I'll show you the next layers later. Beautiful. You see, you can tell that the metal's coming off, look. Okay. That's pretty much pitting free. Moving up, 320 now. Same deal, little cup like that. Don't grab it too hard. And just keep the thing moving back and forth, back and forth. Getting shinier. Okay, looking good. We'll keep going with this. Looking good. Now you got to watch with this. This is starting to get hot now that we've manipulated it, and I can't really feel it with my gloves on. See, look at that finish now. It's coming up real nice. So that's 320. But what we've got to do now is 1000 grit. Look. So wet and dry. I'm using it dry. Same deal again. Watch the heat starting to build up now. So. Okay, coming shiny now. Okay, a couple more. And that, pretty good. Look at that. Almost back to factory with nothing other than a drill. Right, you've got to leave that cool down a bit now because you won't be able to fit that because with the heat on it, it's expanded. But, oh yeah, it's almost perfect, almost like factory now. Okay, cool. I'm going to do the other one and reinstall it. Yeah, they come out pretty well, didn't they?